Well, I received finally the product I was waiting for, my air fryer that I've been cooking a lot with frying pan, and I wanted to try a new method. So I'm just doing this unboxing video to see what's inside, you know. I thought, but yeah, this is essentially, it just came, and it's a much needed product. I heard really good things about these products. I can't wait to really try this one. And this is bigger than I thought. I really thought, I mean, you look at the photo when you order it, and this thing is, wow, look at this. Just so you have an idea on the size here. Huge. And you know, instructions manual, and of course the power cord, etc. Wow, this is big. You could do chicken, fries, and everything here. So I'll probably cook some chicken today, but I just wanted to do like an out-of-the-box type video. And I'm cooking some cut-up fryers. And I'm looking at the instruction book, and I'm thinking I'm gonna be going with the, looks like grams. You have to limit the amounts, I guess, but I'm gonna go with the 10 to 500, 18 to 22, because I think there's enough here for that at that temperature. Same as drumsticks, basically. Everything seems to point to coat it in a little bit of oil, and that's what I'm doing, you know, not too much. Whatever you do, in this case the drumsticks, okay. And then what I'll do is I'll rub them in some mesquite, and then I'll just dump them right into the basket. And I would imagine then I'll push the basket in and get the button, and in about 20 minutes we'll see what happens. So this is what I'm talking about. I coated my drums and breast with mesquite. I try not to go over the weight limit. I think at this point all we gotta do is hope that things will go fine in this beautiful fryer, and go from there. More. So 360. Well, at 22 minutes is what it says. Here we go. Boy, I feel excited. Quiet operation. Very well timed. We shall see. Boy, I wish you guys could smell how it smells really good. We're like counting, I'm just counting down the minutes and seconds in this case. Oh my gosh, look at the quiet operation. It's crazy, isn't it? I have some peas going on in the microwave as well. Steaming in the microwave, but this thing is really smelling amazing. And boy, this says 0. Looks like we're probably just about a minute away, but all in all, this is right behind us. I can't really point it too much right now, but that's where the air comes from. It's like a nice hot air. You don't want to put the hand too close, but whoa, guys, this is it. Should I just, oh my gosh, this is like way beyond what I thought. This mesquite chicken, oh my gosh, this is awesome. I mean, it's made non-greasy. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Very excited. I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna put the other half of the chicken, but I'm actually gonna try this thing with peas shortly. Now this thing is like, the skin is so freaking crispy. I love it. It's like so hard for me to even achieve that if I fry, period, or deep fry or whatever. This is like better than baking. Oh my gosh. Or broiling. Wow.